Hey, it's William Branch with AmCap Home Loans. I'm the branch manager in our Rockwall Heath location. So my why, first, the mortgage business helps family be able to purchase a house. That's our first initial goal, but the actual goal throughout our process is to help somebody get from not only purchasing a house, but how do we help them get to that second step in their life where they can then purchase their second home or maybe even a retirement or investment home down the line. I've learned personally, financially, that real estate for me has been the best investment than also just putting it into 401ks and your investment accounts, which are both great and you should do both. But over time, I've made more money in real estate than I have in any other investment that I've made. And so that's what my goal is to teach other people to do the exact same thing with their families. So one transaction that sticks out most over the last 12 months is probably helping one of my good friends. She got turned down by one of the big builders and big builder lenders, and she called me, sad and upset, and I said, well, let me look at it, let me see. So put it together, and I said, I don't see why we're gonna have a problem here. So what happened is the builder lender asked me, she said, hey, can you turn over your application to us so that we can see how you're doing this loan? And I explained back to him, I'm not gonna teach you how to do the loan. Your lender should know your guidelines. So it's super important that as a lender, that your lender knows all the guidelines and the tips and tricks to help somebody purchase a house. And so on closing day, to see her face, how she called me crying, just saying thank you for helping her family purchase that new house when somebody had told her no. So the reason why you should use the William Branch Group with AmCap is because, for one, we make every closing as seamless as possible. Our goal is to, from start to finish, communication every single week. We provide a weekly Tuesday update to not only the listing agent, but you as a buyer and also your agent, keeping them in the loop so that they can focus on doing their job, you can focus on your family, closing, packing, all of that. Our goal is to take the stress out of your hands. As a lender, I learned early on, I read a great book called The E-Myth Revisited, that when it talks about one of the stories that it's like when you go to Chick-fil-A or McDonald's, they put the same amount of pickles, they put the same amount of ketchup on every hamburger, and they taste the exact same. So that's something that we've created on our team, is systems and processes to where you can close seamlessly, not have any issues, you have great communication throughout the whole process, and keep you in the loop every step of the way. So if you are a client or if you're another loan officer that's struggling in your company and you're having issues, that's a great reason to reach out to us, because we would love to help you make this happen for you as well. If you're in the market to purchase a house and you want a seamless closing, you want somebody to guide you from start to finish, you need to give the William Branch Group a call today, 214-789-0477. We look forward to talking to you.